Yo, what's up YouTube? CPA Marketing back with another banging video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how a 7 seconds video like this can make you passive income with CPA marketing. Now let me play the video and let's see what we have. Alright, I'm pausing the video right now. I know you may be wondering, you are not a graphic designer, you are not an animator. How can you possibly make something like this? Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you how to do this step by step and how to promote it efficiently and get a lot of leads with this 7 seconds video. Because I'm going to show you a software that is going to create a stunning video like this within 5 seconds. Alright, so are you interested? Then stick to the end of the video. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go, first of all, you want to create a Facebook page. Alright, you are going to be needing 2 Facebook accounts for this method, and I'm going to be explaining why in a moment. So first of all, you want to create a Facebook page. So what you want to do is go to facebook.com/page. So once you go to facebook.com/page, it's going to ask you to create your page, right? As you can see right here, so you are going to put in your details. All right, so it's basically a straightforward process. I'm not going to create another one because I have one created already. So basically you just input the name of the page, and you want to make sure your category is going to be gamer. Okay, you want to make sure whatever your account name is, you want to make sure you choose this gamer as your category. So once you have that set up, you can just write a simple description like I play video game in my free time. All right, or you can put any other description you want. You get the point. You don't need this is not the main thing we need, so anything can go in there. Now let me go back to the previous page I created, which is this one. And of course you want to have a logo for it, right? Don't worry, you don't need to go to Fiverr to create a logo or anything. I'm going to show you how to do everything step by step. Just stick to the end of the video. So now the first thing you want to do is you want to go to modroid.com. So once you go to this modroid.com, then you want to come to the search bar and type in intro maker, and then you search that. So once it opens up, you want to make sure you go for this first one, and then you click on. As you can see, if you download this app, it's going to give you access to the paid version of the app, and which is what we need. So you're going to download it. Click on download. All right, you want to click on the first one, although I'm not going to be downloading it because I have it downloaded already, but ideally you want to click on this and then download it to your phone. So once you have that downloaded to your phone, I'm going to pull up my phone now and show you how to do it on your mobile phone. Now we are on my mobile phone, and I'm sorry if my audio sounds terrible. Please bear with me. Alright, so now we have the app installed on my phone. So I'm going to open the app now. As you can see, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see, there are a lot of intros. There are a lot of free intros here, and this was the one I used in the Facebook video I showed you. As you can see, this is the exact intro I used. So there are a lot of intros you can use, many free intros on this software. So what you're going to do now is they also have a lot of categories. As you can see, they have 3D intros as well. So a lot of intros on this app that you can use to create amazing intros for free. Alright, so let's take this example. So if you click on it, and then you want to click on any resolution you want, if you want 480p or if you want HD version, so you click on that. So I'm going to go with the 480. So if I play the intro now, as you can see, this is what it shows us. So you can virtually edit any of these things. You don't need to be a designer or anything. All you just need is the name of the gaming channel. And don't worry, stick with me. I'm going to show you everything you need to do step by step. So if the person you want to make the intro for does not have a logo, you can come here and choose varieties of logo for free. All right, so you can see this is a logo here, this is another one. So they have a lot of logos and they are always constantly updating their logos. So if the person has their logo made, you can just come to my and click on open and then choose the logo from your device. So, and if the person does not have a logo, they just want their name, you can click on your title here and edit it to whatever you want by clicking on this, by tapping on it, and let's say XB. As you can see, we have our intro right there, and you can change the text to whatever you want it to look like, right? So they have already given you a lot of presets that you can use for free. You don't need to create the intros from scratch, and you can change the color if you're not happy. As you can see, I chose white here, chose purple. All right, it's very easy to use this app to create amazing intros. All right, so if you're happy with what you have, you can click on this save, and then if you want to edit this file in the background, you can click on this template below, and then you can adjust the color to whatever you want. So you can see it's a very simple app to use. They've given you everything you can use easily. You don't need to stress yourself at all. So, and then if you are done with your design, you can click on music. Okay, first thing before we go to the music, you can click on, after designing your logo or your text, you can just click on this animation below and choose what you want it to look like. You choose what you want, the way you want the text to reveal itself. All right, so let me go with this glitch. So if we play the intro now, you can see that was how you can see the way the text reveals itself. All right, so then once you are done, you can add any music. So you can choose any music from here. They also have different categories that you can choose from. All right, so since I'm happy with this one, you're just going to click on this plus icon. So once you click on the plus icon, then you click on this and then you play it. As you can see, it's very easy to create an intro here, and also you can add titles if you want. There are a lot of things you can do with this app. It's so amazing as an Android app that is endowed with these capabilities. Alright, I can't possibly show everything you can do with this app in this one video. So basically, that's all you need to do to create an intro. So once we are done, then you click that to export the video. All right, now this is what the finished video will look like. So once you are done, then that's all you need to do. So now I'm going to show you how to get people to ask you to make intro for them. Now I'm going to hop back on my PC. All right, so once you have your intro made in the app, the next thing you want to do is come to Facebook, and then you want to post your intro, the intro you just made. You want to post it on Facebook just like I did here, as you can see. Then you want to make sure you put in a nice text like this one. As you can see, this one says, "Hi guys, I'm currently rebranding and taking my gaming to the next level. I have my new intro made. Please rate it. I would like to know your thoughts." So once you have this intro posted on your page, the next thing you want to do now is you want to copy the link to this post. So once you copy the link to this post, then you want to look for Facebook groups. for gamers. So you want to type in gamers or gaming, either one would work well. And then you click on search, and then you want to click on groups. As you can see, this group has over 75,000 members and they have 290 posts per day. As you can see, there are a lot of groups here. This one has 148,000 members, right? This one also have over 200,000 members. So a lot of groups, the groups are endless. A lot of groups that are interested in gaming. All right. So once you join these groups, some of them will approve you right away. Some of them you have to wait a while before you get approved, but eventually they will approve you. And I'm going to show you how to post your page on this group so you don't get banned or the admin disapprove your post. So once you are in the group, you've copied the link to that post. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using my existing groups. So I'm going to be using this make money online group that I am a member of as an example. So once you have the link copied and then you want to create a post and then you paste the link in there, Facebook is going to show you the post automatically. As you can see, everything pops up, including the text, right? So once you have the post posted, right, the next thing you want to do is then you want to use your second Facebook account to reply this post, and the second Facebook account is going to be saying, who is your intro editor? That is a beautiful intro, I need one like that, or point me to the right program. I will fully credit whoever is responsible, dude. All right, so that is what the first intro, that is what the first reply is going to be like, right? As you can see, this reply looks genuine and it's not trying to promote anything, right? So once this comment has been posted, replying to this, if you remember, you asked them to rate your intro. So once that reply replies to this intro, then you're going to use your main Facebook account to reply, which is your page, to reply back by saying it was an awesome Instagram artist. He made it for me free of course. Highly recommend him. And then you can link to the Instagram page. It doesn't have to be Instagram, it's just for an example. You can also link it to another Facebook page. You can link it to a Twitter account. You can link it to anywhere. So the point is, you're going to give a second comment telling the first comment, replying the first comment where and how you got your intro. So it doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be Instagram, it can be any social media, as long as you can link back to the account. So literally that is what you need to do. So once you have that reply back, then some people are also going to give replies, and as you can see, as I also showed you, those groups have a lot of activities, a lot of members, so a lot of people are going to see your post, and this post is not promoting any CPA link or any content local link. That is the beauty of this method. You are not going to promote your CPA link right off the bat. So you want people to message you on, it could be your Instagram or it could be wherever you want them to message you. So once you have the people message you over there, then you can tell them, you can link them back to your CPA group and have them complete an offer. And once they do that, you will make an intro for them. And like I show you in the app, it's easy to make an intro. You don't need to have any graphic design skill. It's just more like plug and play. All right, so that is going to be everything you need for this video. And if you do this consistently, if you post regularly, definitely you'll get a lot of people who are going to be messaging you for an intro, or you can also do the same thing for outro as well. Okay, you can do the same method for outros. The software has a lot of outros, so that is literally what you need to do with this method. And if you find any value, of course, feel free to leave a like on the video And if you're new to the channel, then make sure to look around the channel. You definitely find other awesome content that would leave you inspired. And having said that, I'll see you in the next video.